Namaste, this is Mansi Gulati, your face yoga expert. Today we are going to do face yoga for reducing eye puffiness and dark circle. We'll start. First, close your eyes, relax yourself. Deep inhalation. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Rub your palm. Keep it on your eyes. Keep it on your face. And relax. We are doing exercises for reducing eye wrinkle too. The benefit of doing this asana, first, it helps to increase blood circulation. Second, you are going to see amazing result. It helps to reduce toxin. It helps to allow more oxygen to get in. So we'll start. Just you need to be consistent with your practice. We'll start with Mahakriya. Mahakriya is amazing Kriya. Interlock your hand close to your navel. Deep inhalation. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Very slowly come forward. Exhale forcefully. Keep your forehead down. Come up. And release. Every asana, every kriya we have to perform for 3 times for better result. For the eye exercises, we are going to start with eye massage. Eye massage always with index finger. Without oil or with oil, it's your choice. Just keep it here. Put some pressure. Okay, now just light massage. Hold. Try to put some pressure here. Light massage. Hold. Light massage. And release. Now place your index finger here. Medium pressure. Close your eyes. And relax, release. Eye massage, you can use almond oil. Almond oil is excellent for reducing dark circle. And this massage, you are going to see very good result. Okay, now let's do eye exercises. We'll start with blinking pose. Raise your eyebrows up. and release. This will help to strengthen your eye muscle too. Let's do this again. First, raise your eyebrows up. Start blinking. Relax, release. Raise your eyebrows up. Start blinking. Close your eyes, rub your palm. Keep it on your eyes. And release. Relax yourself. Now let's do binocular pose. Very good pose. Make a shape of C like this. Index finger and your thumb. Stretch it properly. Now look up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Let's do it for 10 count. Close your eyes, relax yourself. In this pose, make sure you're stretching from both sides. So parallelly, just stretch up and down. Stretch it properly. Now look up and down properly. We can feel amazing stretch. This is really good. It helps to increase blood circulation. And release. Now let's do cupping pose. Cupping pose is very good pose. Just we need to learn proper technique of doing this pose. So let's do it. First, rub your palm. Generate heat. Now keep it like this. Keep it, place it properly and close. Eyes are closed. Relax yourself. Be there for 20 seconds. Relax, release. Every asana we have to perform for 3 times. Now let's do the last pose, VI pose. V, middle finger, index finger, hold here. Slightly stretch it down, look up. Relax, release. You are going to see amazing result with this simple exercises. Let's do this again. Hold here. Slightly stretch it down. Look up. Relax, release. Close your eyes for a while. Deep inhalation. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relax your mind, relax your body. We'll chant Om. Inhale. Om. So really thank you. Day 2 is really good. Really thank you everyone for joining our workshop, our session. With this, if possible, follow diet also. After 5, we need to stop eating oily food, junk food, drink lot of water. Every half an hour we should take half glass of water. Always stay healthy, happy, beautiful. Thank you.